In this tutorial, we would like to show you how to work with a quick access pane that's integrated in Empower as well, and how to easily access all Empower contents and work efficiently to save valuable time in your day-to-day business. We use the Empower version 9.2. Once Empower has been installed on your device and you open up the PowerPoint application for the first time, you won't be able to see the quick access pane that would normally be located on the right-hand side of the screen. To access the quick access pane for the first time, there's two ways. You could either navigate to the group Insert and click on the button Slide to insert some slides into your presentation, or click on the split button Elements to access elements coming from your Empower library as well. Alternatively, you can navigate to the group Extras, click on the button Help and Settings, and navigate to your specific user settings. Either way, on the right-hand side, the quick access pane will open up, and you can always show this quick access pane by enabling the toggle button Always Show Sidebar. So whenever now you exit, for example, your user settings or any other part of the quick access pane, the quick access pane will still be displayed on the right-hand side of your screen, and you can make use of all the features that are integrated into the quick access pane as well. If we take a closer look at the quick access pane, and we will see how we can work with it the most efficient way, we see that there are some small faint gray lines that separate specific features from each other. These features mirror the content that is integrated in the Empower ribbon you can see right on top of the screen, and B, displays and mirrors the content that is stored in your Empower library that can also be accessed via the group Start and the button library here as well. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to do that right now. So we access the library here. I will just minimize the content so that it's a little bit clearer for you how the features are mirrored here. We have on top access to the masters template that are stored in the corporate design templates. And if we click on the master template here, we have our specific Empower master template that I'm using currently in the presentation. And you would directly navigate to this section as well whilst clicking on this button. So if we do so, we also see that now the master section is opening up. Coming back to the full window of the library, we see that there's also the company library and the user library accessible, and the favorites as well as all of the corporate design templates that are available in your company. Right next to the corporate design templates, we have the layout tools. They are also integrated in the Empower ribbon in the group Align. And at the bottom, we have our design check and consistency check. They are coming from the group Finalize if you access the split button check, so that you can easily directly work with all the contents and features that are available in your company and your specific Empower version. Please note that depending on your settings and the decisions your Empower administrators have done whilst ensuring that your Empower version meets your needs in your company, not all of the features that are displayed in my specific system and settings are available for you as well. If we, for example, move now into the left placeholder, the left content placeholder on the slide, and click on the content placeholder icon Images, we are directly navigated to the Images section in your corporate design templates and can access all the contents that are stored in your Empower library here. We can search through all the contents in this specific section via the search bar and enter any type of keyword you want to search for. I'm just going to use the word empower. If there are some images tagged or named like that, then we have the results being displayed here. I can change the language settings here. So if I have specific content marked as German or English content, of course, this would make more sense if we navigate to text elements or slides, for example, and select here, for example, all English content and search for our keyword. We can also use a different sorting if we want to search for element names instead of element details, or if we want to display the contents a specific way, we can further customize it in our case. So I think it becomes clear that the search bar works the same as it does in the full window version of the Empower library. For more information on how the Empower library is structured and how you can search and filter and easily find content, check out our other tutorial. Coming back to the images, I could also navigate to it directly via the quick access pane. I can just select my image and double click it to insert it into the placeholder here, and a selection of the image that has been initially uploaded into the library will be displayed here. And I can also choose to insert the image completely if desired. On the right content placeholder, I'm going to insert an image just to demonstrate that the quick access pane moves directly to the table section here, and I just use the first table to insert it with a double click and confirm my selection here. This way you can easily access all the contents you need to create your specific slides, or ensure that your slides or presentation is brand compliant and meets all the spelling rules regarding your company name, for example, to just be sure that everything is in place before you hand out the presentation to a customer, for example. Now it's your turn. Feel free to test out the quick access pane to show it constantly on the right hand side so that it can be a huge help and help you to save valuable time. For more information on Empower, check out our other tutorials.